So you normally work out in the morning, but it's the afternoon time now and you're finally feeling inspired to actually do something, but you got a short amount of time because you got a family bonfire you got to get to after this. So we're going to do a quick 10-minute workout with the boxing bags. You have already got your wraps on, you have got your gloves over there that we do have to go and grab, but if you do need the basics and the wrap breakdown, be sure to check out the blog I've got linked down below, and then I've got some video tutorials that will walk you through it. Otherwise, here's the workout for the day, the 10-minute workout that we are going to do. If you want this and other workout ideas, make sure to go ahead and subscribe to my newsletter down below. You will get the Done in 10 with 20 workouts, including 4 boxing workouts. But here's what we've got for today. 45 seconds of work, 15 in between, 5 combos, 2 rounds. All right, so we're gonna do 10 jab cross, and then hook hook after that. Second one is gonna be a hook hook, upper upper. You're just gonna cycle through that, nice and easy. Find a tempo, find a good playlist that you like. If you want ideas, I have got my Spotify link down below, and all of my favorite playlists are there. Work great for boxing. All right, next one is gonna be round kick, jab cross, hook. Okay, fourth one, hook hook, upper upper, jab cross. And your final one, we have got a low hook to a high hook, and then a duck roll. We're gonna explain that here shortly, but let's go break it down. You're gonna stay with me here, because I'm a problem child and was hurting my hands before I even got to do this. All right, so your first combo is gonna be jab cross. Again, we have got our staggered stance. I'm right-handed, right foot's gonna be back. I'll alternate and show you, but got jab cross 10 times. You can do 1, 2, 3, 4, or 1, 2, 3, 4, up to you. Shut up, squirrels. But you got jab cross 10 times. If you wanna do quick, you can do quick. Otherwise, you can focus on power, and then hook hook. So jab cross for 10, hook hook on the side. And again, you can switch sides if you've got the combos down and it makes sense. Hook hook. All right, next one, you have got hook hook, upper upper, hook hook, upper upper. This one I like to find a song and just stick with it. You can alternate the second time through if you want to keep it even. All right, your round kicks. This one, focus on form rather than strength to start with, or just moving forward. All right, you're gonna step in. Foot that steps in is the inside of your foot is gonna be facing the bag. So you're gonna step in, aiming for the top of your shin, right above your laces, okay? So round kick, jab cross, hook, okay? Round kick, jab cross, hook. You can alternate through that, okay? Focus on your balance. I went a little bit fast. Don't do that. Next one, hook hook, upper upper, jab cross. Hook hook, upper upper, jab cross. Again, you are alternating your feet, whichever one is leading. Lead foot is your jab, foot that is behind is your cross. Step in for your hooks, uppercuts, step back for jab cross. And move. All right, last one, low hook, high hook, duck roll. So you're gonna squat down, low hook to the side of the body, high hook to the side of the head, duck roll. Think of it kind of as a wide step, duck and over. Low hook, high hook, duck roll. Low hook, high hook, duck roll. Low hook, high hook, duck roll. Keeping your gloves up, protecting your face, even though we are not going to be fighting anybody but the bag. Again, you're going to do that 2 times through. That will be your 10-minute workout. Now, if the thought of going to your family barbecue afterwards is stressing you out because it's not on your meal plan, you are not, oh, I'm tired. It is not your cheat day, but you're still wanting to participate, but you're tired of food taking over your life. You've done the workout, you got that situated. I want you to watch this next video then, where I'm breaking down why you have cravings, what they mean, and how to get rid of them for good. So go ahead, download this workout down below, and then I will see you in the next video.